Look at the wrench. The wrench. So Socket, our new studio dog, is getting completely set up. We got this new bed from Casper. We got this killer water bowl from Yeti back here. And we have some new toys and products from a company online called BarkBox. And this is a subscription-based company that you can put in some of the characteristics of your dog, and you will they'll select some different products for you to try, some treats and toys and things like that. I have no idea what's in this box, but we're going to check it out. So the box itself is super simple. You know, they've started pulling their brand into it. Let's chew it. Super chewer. It's a super chewer, and you know, you specify some of those things. Are they a chewer? And this guy is, thankfully not anything valuable yet. Yeah, so outside, super simplistic. Something to note here, they've actually done a really light dimensions of their box in the print. It's very minimalistic, but yeah, that could be good for some of these fulfillment operations. You know, there are sometimes numbering or labeling schemes or things like that. All right, opening this little tuck front, and what do we have? All right, first we've got some literature. This just really talks about the brand, some of the things that they're gonna be shipping you. So welcome to Super Chewer. The next thing we have, all right, this is cool. So what they've done here is actually created a full insert to cap off this box. And out of this insert, they've created, in the Super Chewer one, I don't know if the other ones do this, but they've created this this chunk taken out of the corner here. And this is just a paperboard insert that went inside the box. And it's actually a full insert. It's super playful. Invasion of the Megabytes. And then on the inside here, there's a lot of information about social stuff. Robots have invaded your box. So they're trying to make like a whole event out of it. But the way that they've done that with the packaging, just the playfulness of these little die cuts and things like that, and the way that they've not gone with a full printed box, but they've gone with this printed insert that gives the impression of a full printed box. Inside of here, we've got a Rekka wrench, you know, with just an elastic. That's a lot of information on this thing. Multi-page label on that. Same kind of multi-page tag on this robot toy or chew thing. Then we've got a little flow-wrapped duck stick, and we've got a little stand-up pouch with some sweet potato jerky. We've got some lamb bits, lamb recipe dog treats, and then we've got another bar. So what they've done that's super cool is they've brought this kind of robot theme, and I'm not going to go through reading everything about it, but they've just kind of brought this whole robot theme, right? There's a robot here and a wrench. These things are Megabytes lamb droids. They've been really fun and playful in the way that they've brought this through their packaging. Now, it looks, not everything is super consistent from a packaging standpoint. You know, there's some consistency here with colors and just messaging. I think these are something. I don't know if this is just a new rollout that they're doing, but it's definitely a different graphic style. Same packaging materials, but very, very different graphics that they're launching on this. But this little insert thing inside of here, I think, is probably the coolest thing that they did. Rather than doing some kind of full litho lamb box that's very expensive, doing a box that they can change out these inserts on as they change themes with the different types of dogs, things like that. I don't know how specific they are, but man, I love what they've done as a brand. It says "Take me to your teether" on the back here. So love the personality that's come out, and oh, the products are pretty cool too. What do you think of this? We're gonna have to try these out later because he's not really very active at 9 o'clock at night. I mean, do you blame him? He's had a long day at the studio. All right, so super cool what they've done here with BarkBox. If there are other brands that you want us to take a look at, other dog products that maybe Socket needs, let us know, hit us up in the comments below, and we will unbox them.